Dear Spirit, in this now moment, with my free will and pure intent, I give you permission to work through me to accelerate the expansion of consciousness and to co-create a new earth that is one rooted in truth and abundance. I now call forward the skills and abilities that have been gifted to me by the Creator for my use in this lifetime. I use these gifts to assist Gaia and to show others what is possible through the power of belief. I understand that I am a magnetic being of frequency, and all that I am to experience from this point forward will be beautiful and appropriate and in alignment with my magnificence. Spirit, at this time I give you permission to heal and identify anything that may be outside my awareness that would attempt to stunt my growth or prevent me from embodying the entirety of my soul. I trust you from your perspective to lead me down the path that sees me fulfilled and abundant and in service to all of our family here who deserve the highest outcome from this shift. With this breath, so be it.